I'm very happy to be part of this humanitarian session. So we as a company, we have a priority to take care about the kids and sick people. So this is one of our first initiative here, and this is not the last. So we want to proceed in the same way. I would like to thank you for the municipality, the mayor, for taking this opportunity and basically hosting this event. I would like to thank you to the local enterprises, in particular to the general manager of Confidential Arena, and it was a simple idea, and I'm very happy to see this crowd of people that from simple idea we make a nice event. So I am also very happy that our employees, they joined this initiative and they came in a big amounts. I think it's more than 350 people here. And I'm very proud of them, proud of our company, and proud for our employees who has this heart for the things what they are doing. And I'm sure that this is not the last action from our side.